midnight. I hope you wash your hands. One thing that can be said about being online is that we're all listening and learning. Well, we aren't learning, but we are listening. Which is why our next game is Name That Sound. Panelists, I'm going to play each of you a quick sound bite from a video, and you'll try and identify what that sound is. Get it right, and I'll give you 300 points. For example, what would you say this sound is?
A person meowing to a cat.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
That's a good guess.
Yeah, I would say that's me. Meowing to my cats.
It's not a cute little kitty cat. It's a cute little, this guy.
Oh.
Give me my point.
Yeah, points.
Yeah.
Yep. Cat.
He gets it. He was like, y'all have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.
All right, Caitlin, you're up first.
Okay.
What is this sound?
Oh, boy.
And I'll play it again if you need to hear it again.
Okay, great. I think that's the sound of me and Steve having sex on your mattress. I was like, I know this better than anything. I hear it at least once a month, so.
All right, Caitlin, that is a great guess. And I hope that's true. It is actually...
Oh, my goodness.
He's got great rhythm.
He does.
Yeah. How great would it have been if it was a video of you and Steve having sex? Can you imagine? All right, well, you weren't close, but again, I did like that answer, so you get points. Dulcé, you're up. Name this sound.
Bringing back a lot of memories, that sound. Let me tell you. I don't know which ones, but they're not great.
It's me keeping rhythm to Caitlin and Steve's sex. Did you know white people are notoriously offbeat, so they just need me just like it's called a sextronome.
I'm giving you points before we even see what it is. That's incredible. Let's find out what it is together. It won't be as good as that.
Oh my God!
Oh, my God. I mean...
Hey, man! Somebody get that little girl a scholarship.
That's actually what Steve has to do to make me...
No hand backflips? How big is your apartment? You live in New York.
We live in Queens.
Oh, my God.
Sustained.
Oh. Finally, Jenny, here's your mystery sound.
I find this rude and offensive.
I challenge you to not say farting.
That is me measuring with my Diva cup.
Are you
It's kind of hard to get in there sometimes.
Oh, I thought you were suctioning off the...
Oh.
Yeah.
My fault.
I feel like they should sponsor you.
They really should.
Yeah.
Diva cup. Jenny Zigrino approves.
I've never used one because, you know, nails.
You don't wash your hands?
I don't want to give myself a hysterectomy.
Oh, man, I'm so glad men edit this show. I can't wait.
Just two editors going, Google, what is a diva?
What is a hysterectomy?
Oh, am I supposed to actually guess? Am I supposed to actually guess?
I thought-
I
oh,
think
yeah.
I'm done.
You're done? All right, okay. Let's see what it is.
No!
Yeah. It's actually this red hot ball being dropped into mayonnaise.
Oh.
It's
Which is
mayonnaise.
what they
That's
call
what it is.
sex between Steve and Caitlin.
Give Jenny points for that one. Yeah, you gotta do that. That's amazing. I cannot wait for Steve to see this episode. When we come back, we'll be desperately trying to communicate. BRB.